Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're at CVS a little bit earlier than usual. I came in specifically to show you some of the unadvertised deals that you can get this week at CVS. So this video is not my haul video. This is not the best deals that you can get at CVS. Please don't take it as that. This video is the deals that you can find at CVS that you won't see in your sales flyer. So I'm just going to be walking you through some of the deals that I saw that I did not see in the weekly ad, but you will find on promotion in your store or online. So stay tuned for the video that will be coming a little bit later today with our free and cheap deals, the best deals that you can get at CVS. This video though will just be the deals that I noticed when I walked through the store that I did not see in the sales flyer. Now let me know if you like this type of content. I'm trying to introduce new content to the channel over the next month or so, and I will be using your feedback to gauge whether or not to keep new content in rotation. So let me know by hitting the thumbs up button or just dropping a comment down below if you like this type of video. So before I get into the unadvertised deals, I have to let you guys know that the Epic Beauty Event is back at CVS. So with the Epic Beauty Event, this is a deal where you can earn up to $20 in extra bucks on your beauty related purchases. So you can spend up to $200 in beauty. You can spend more if you like to, but they'll only track $200 in your beauty spend, and you will earn 10% back on that purchase, up to a $20 extra buck. So if you're not signed up for the CVS Beauty Club, definitely make sure that you're signed up, because we're going to be doing a bunch of beauty deals over the next few weeks. The CVS Epic Beauty Event generally lasts about 4 weeks. Sometimes it's a little bit shorter, but it generally lasts about 4 weeks. And then a couple days after the 4-week promotion ends, you get your extra buck. And you can always check to see where you are as far as that extra buck tracking in the rewards tracker section. So you hit on deals and rewards in your app and then go to rewards tracker, and it will tell you where you are. So let's look at the fine print of this deal just so you can understand what you earn back and what earns on the beauty event and what does not. 10% is calculated on the purchase price minus coupons and discounts before tax. Now that minus coupons and discount usually does not include manufacturer coupons. We will see how that works. So usually it's just based off of the CVS coupon. So like if you have a buy one, get one free L'Oreal CRT, the free item that you get with that CVS coupon generally doesn't count towards your Epic Beauty tracking. But if you use a manufacturer coupon, that generally counts. Now, what categories are included? So you will earn on cosmetics, fragrances, hair care, hair color, facial care, and skin products, on-the-go beauty items, and hand and body lotion. You will not earn on things like body wash, deodorant, oral care, sun care, gift cards, things like that do not track towards the Epic Beauty Event. The next thing I noticed in the store when I went was this $2 Dove tear pad coupon. So you guys be on the lookout for this in your CVS locations. If your store does not have it out yet, they may put it out a little bit later, but definitely be on the lookout for this $2 coupon because it does not expire until the end of the year, 12/31/2023. So now let's get into the unadvertised deals. So the way that I put these deals together is I literally just walked through the store and I took pictures of the things that I saw in the store that were not necessarily included in the sales flyer. These are things that I was like, I didn't see that. So if you saw something that I may have missed and it actually was in the sales flyer, feel free to let me know. But when I was walking through, I did not see these deals in the weekly ad. So first deal I noticed was on the Olay Premium Body Wash. So these are buy one, get one 50% off this week. And when you buy two, you're gonna get back a $5 extra buck. We do have $2 printable coupons for this body wash on the P&G Good Everyday website. That'll make these like $5 and some change for each one, which is not a bad price if you like this body wash. The next thing I noticed was the Speed Stick deodorant. So these are on sale 2 for $6, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $2 extra buck. We always have 50-cent printable coupons on the Speed Stick website. You can print 2 of those. Use those, you would pay $5, get back 2, it would make these 2 for $3. If Native is your brand of choice, then these products are also on a promotion, the hair care. These are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck this week. I did see a deal in the weekly flyer for the Pampers, but this deal on the Easy Ups and the Ninjamas looked to be a little bit different. So this is spend 20, get 5. This includes the Easy Ups and the Ninjamas. We do have digital coupons for these. These are 2 for $22, and then when you buy $20 worth, you'll get back a $5 extra buck. I was fascinated with this deal that to buy 2, get back $5 in extra bucks on men's skin and beard care, because this deal is not specifically on one product line. So it's not like on just Nivea or Bulldog. It includes all of these brands. So this includes Bulldog skincare for men, Nivea, Cremo, Wood products, Nair products, Brute products, Magic Shave Cream, Old Spice products. There are so many different products that are included in this deal. So you can put together a deal possibly on things that we don't typically get promotions on. If you have a product or your loved one, your husband like me, has a product that they are brand loyal to. So you definitely want to go online on the CVS website and really explore this deal to see everything that is included. But these are buy 2, get back $5 in extra bucks this week. Another product that I know some people are brand loyal to is the mane and tail. So these are buy 1, get 1 50% off this week. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $2 in extra bucks. The Palmolive, the Ajax, and the Fabuloso are on a spend 10, get back $3 in extra bucks this week. We do have coupons for these products. I know we have a 75 cents for the Palmolive, and I think we also have a coupon for the Ajax. So if you like these brands, definitely keep that in mind because you can definitely put together a deal. The Scarway products are buy 1, get back a $5 extra buck this week. Because these products are full price, you could definitely use a percentage off coupon on this, like if you have a 40% off, if you need to make a deal for this product. The Peach Slices acne products, these are spend 10, get back $4 in extra bucks this week. These are also full price, so you can definitely use your percentage off coupons. If you are into natural deodorants, I noticed that the Smidge was also on a promotion this week. So these are buy 1, get 1 50% off. And then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. The Renew Life Probiotic is on a promotion where if you spend $30, you will get back a $10 extra buck. These were priced at $29.79 at my store, full price. So another item that you could definitely use a percentage off coupon on. With the pricing of this item, since it's over $29.40, with the 98% rule, if you buy just this, you should get back that $10. The CVS shaving products are also on a spend 15, get 5 this week. We typically have peelies on a lot of these products, so if you prefer one of these brands, make sure that you pay attention to the packaging because sometimes there are additional coupon savings. The Topic Hair Care is also buy 1, get back a $10 extra buck this week. This is another easy deal that you can use with a percentage off coupon. So if you had like a 40% off, let's say, you could pay $17.39 for this, then get back a $10 extra buck, making this only $7.39. That's an amazing price for this product that's normally pretty pricey. Last deal I noticed was on the St. Ives, the Pond's, and the Noxzema products. These are buy 2, get back $4 in extra bucks this week. These are also full price items, so you can definitely add in those percentage off coupons. And the reason I'm mentioning those percentage off coupons is because I know a lot of us are getting them lately. So if you're looking for ideas on what to do with them, these full price deals that are still on extra buck promotions are good ways to utilize those. So that is all for this unadvertised deals video. If there are some additional things that I notice when I go back to the store, I'll make sure to include them in my bigger haul. I'm about to get ready to go do that now and get that up for you guys this evening. So I look forward to talking to you guys then. Make sure that you go on coupons.com and clip the new printable coupons that we have. We have some nice coupons on Chic. If you don't get inserts, we also got those in our inserts, but if you don't get inserts, make sure you print those. We have a $2 coupon on Persil on coupons.com. definitely print that. And then we also have the Garnier coupons as well that are definitely come in handy today. So make sure that you go on coupons.com and get those coupons as well. So I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you shortly. Bye.